Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss Revlon One-Step Volumizer Enhanced 1.0 Hair Dryer and Hot Air Brush. First 100 people will get 25% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Improved motor life. Now with a longer motor life. Better motor, faster blowouts that you can flaunt all day and night. Style and dry in one step. Style, dry and volumize your hair in one step. Max drying power with 30% less frizz, and helps reduce hair damage. IONIC Ceramic Technology. Unique non-detachable oval brush design for smoothing the hair, while the round edges create volume. Unique oval design. Designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improved volume, and control. Styling flexibility. 3 heat speed settings with cool option for styling flexibility to tailor to your hair needs. Safety plug. Volumizer 1.0 Enhanced meets US safety requirements. Unit is designed for 120-volt USA outlets only. Do not use a voltage converter or adapter as it will damage it. Curve for your volumizer. Clean air inlet regularly, remove hair from the brush after every use, and do not wrap cord around the unit. To keep bristles in best condition, let unit cool before storing.